There's Brian cutting firewood for the winter. And Matt has got the wood splitter. He looks good with the chainsaw, huh? I think so. This is how we're gonna stay warm this winter. Doing good, honey. Woo-hoo! Splitting some wood. He's the best helper.
I'm gonna have to learn how to use this thing too.
I can't wait to learn how to use that thing. Huh? I can't wait to learn how to use it. Yeah, your Truffle loves it here. You're the best girl in the whole world. God bless you. What? That's a wood splitter. See how that puppy works? Holy cow. Wow. Woo. Okay, and we need to see the kitchen. Hi, Truffle. We gotta go see the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah. And then Josie's, so Christopher's digging dirt. Go to wagon. You wanna go see the bunnies? Let's go. Josie wants to get out. Josie's in with the bunnies. So see, we've been marking trees today. So anything with orange lines are gonna go. So see if you can count all the orange lines. We haven't even counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just right here. And that's not even, it's like the smallest part of the property. And some more orange lines. So we're gonna go see the bunnies. Josie's trapped inside. It's a great way to contain her while we're chopping wood.
Yeah.
You guys wanna see the bunnies? You gotta lift it up and then open it, and then you lift it up to shut it too.
Okay.
So they can't get out.
Oh, they're in there. You can't even. I'm a bunny girl.
So the bunnies are right there. So Stuart Little and formerly Luke Skywalker, Christopher named him Mike right there. He's a big boy. Oh, easy with Mr. Mike.
Mommy, look, it's a hut.
Oh, I'm pretty sure that's a cow patty. You'll get used to those. Nice throw, country girl. Look, Stuart Little says, what did you got there? Don't fall, Christopher. Some more marked trees around the house. Can you even see the house? Because it's there. It's just covered by trees. So all the orange, all those trees are going. They're beautiful trees, but there's just too many around the house. And it doesn't help with roof rot and different things up there. So those are gonna go. Windows installed today. I'm very grateful about the screen being by the birdhouse. I think that adds a nice touch. I actually really like this tree. It's all twisted together, so that's not gonna leave. And so new windows, got some patching to do, but the guys did great. Okay, kitchen. Let's check out the kitchen. It's red. Kind of red. Not bad. I mean, it's got the tiniest dishwasher in the world. It's running right now, and it's actually pretty useful at the moment, but we got new appliances coming on the 19th. So that won't stay for long. So, I don't have any chocolate milk, Josie. That's nice. So I'm loving the window. It's gotta be replaced because it's single pane, but it's big, and I think we could lift up the stuff out there so we can see there's a whole nother yard out there. So it'll be fun to watch the kids play. So I'm really gonna get in touch with my inner Joanna Gaines, and this is gonna be awesome when it's all said and done. It just is probably gonna take a while. Little dragonfly inside found his way. Hey man, you might want to go back out. Lots of dragonflies, lots of water. Hopefully he'll find his way out. We'll get out of the way. There's old Truffle, it's so faithful. So I hope that, okay, helps with the kitchen. So that's the homeschooling corner. This is where our wood stove is going. No cabinet. And so we're getting ready to get that installed. Kind of tricky because we don't have the floors in that we want yet. But there's the wood stove. It'll be in soon.
Mommy,
Yes, Josie.
can I have another chocolate sandwich?
Maybe in a little bit. Sure. Alright, so there's a little update, wood cutting and kitchen. No blue truck yet. Kids have been playing in the back of it. We'll get that done next. Okay. See ya.